What are some of the most common misperceptions about DWI charges in Raleigh? I'd say the first common misconception is that you're automatically guilty. You're not automatically guilty if you're charged with driving while impaired. You're not automatically guilty if the breath or blood test result you have in your case is .08 or greater. One of the other misconceptions is that the application of DWI laws in Raleigh are much tougher because we're the capital of North Carolina. That's not true. The laws in North Carolina have to be applied justly and equally across all counties. For example, we often go to rural counties, Johnston County, Franklin County, Person County. Those laws are still applied the same way. What you see are differences in the culture, differences in the courthouse, how the judges operate, how the judges apply the law or think about the law, how the DA's office applies the law. To be sure that in Raleigh things are tougher than they are in other places, but that just means that the defense lawyers, particularly those who emphasize their practice on DWI cases, the defense lawyers are much tougher. We get into much more details here in Wake County than we do, say, down in Johnston County or Nash County. We apply the law or defend the law in a very tough position, in a tough way. For example, one misconception is that you're going to get a reduction because you didn't blow that high, or you got a good driving record, or you're a good person. That's simply not the case. It's either, in Wake County, plead guilty or find an issue to fight about. And that's what we do at Fanney Law Office. We find issues to fight about because that's why our clients come to us. It's a misconception that you shouldn't get a lawyer because, hey, if the officer thought I was drunk, then everybody's going to think I'm drunk. That's a huge misconception. I've seen countless numbers of cases where people thought they were guilty from the get-go, and I counseled them and met with them and reviewed their cases and were able to find issues. That's what we do as lawyers at Fanney Law Office. We look for issues, and there are many, many issues in DWI cases. Those are just some of the misconceptions. Part of the point of getting an experienced DWI lawyer is helping you clear up these misconceptions. That's what we do at Fanney Law Office. You come in, you meet with us, we take our time, we look at the case. We can't tell you as soon as you come to see us what's going to happen with your case, but we can tell you whether you have something that's defensible. We work to define those defenses. We even find the defenses after we've gotten involved in the case. We take these cases with an eye towards taking them to trial. That is the only way in Wake County and other serious counties that you're going to get some relief from your DWI charge. You're going to have to hire a lawyer that knows these cases, knows the law, educates themselves, and will look into the details, because in the details is where we find help for our clients.